Hi, is Riz here from DS All-in-One Solution. So this is the same house. I'm just showing you from the cameras, the gate motors, the electric fence. This is the electric fence. Also, we put it. This is the gate contacts. So when the gate closes, there's the fence also on the gate. And this fence we installed. This is a very strong fence. And this is a fence light. I don't know if you can see on the camera. There is a flash where he's going to show like a fence is on or is off. All round for the house we put the fence, and this is for the earth loops, the very strong poles all round, and we put the energizer inside the room. Let me show you. And this one here we put siren, the receiver, the strobe light. See this, the pole, so very strong, and the earth loops all round. And here we put the energizer. So it's working 100%. So this is the energizer here. Also linked to the inverter, so even if it's a load shedding, this thing is gonna work. It's not gonna be off. It is all round. This is also, we put the light here. This is completely start to end, this wall, it's all around this electric fencing. And this is almost 99% safe, this house, because we put also the alarm system, we put outside beams, there's the cameras, the fence. And let me show you also, we put the inverter here. This is the battery, lithium battery we put it, and this is for the inverter. This is a 5 kVA. Alright, thank you.